So it's 14th of December 2022. It's 9:11 p.m. and the meter reading is 072894. We're just finishing our drive today, and we're going to check into the hotel and then carry on from there. That's just time again. Just going to take the car. So folks, there's the car, all good, and there's me, all going great. Here we are. We stopped over at Aurangabad, a hotel called Kargi Palace or something, and we're staying the night here, and tomorrow we do the home stretch. Good night, folks.